Good morning, guys. And today we are going to learn how to add levels to our Scratch games. Last week we set the timer and we created a timer and we could make our timer 30 seconds or 60 seconds, whatever was easier for you guys, however long you wanted your game to last. So what we're going to do today is every time our character gets 10 points, we are going to change levels. So the backdrop will change. It'll say level 2. And we'll also try and, in the following lesson, what we'll do is after each level, we will make the poisonous fish go faster each time. Okay, and we'll talk about how that's going to happen. Okay, so let's look at what we're going to do today. I'll show you the blocks we're going to need. Okay, so first we are going to need a green flag. We are going to need a forever block. We're going to need an if-then block. We are going to need a greater than 50. We are going to also use this score block here. And we're going to use this new one here called when I receive a new message. Now mine already says broadcast a new message. Yours will say new message here. I've already done the level 2, so mine says level 2, but when you click on this drop down arrow, you're going to see new message. You're going to type in level 2 and hit OK. And then now it'll say broadcast level 2. So here's how we're going to piece this together. Okay, we are going to put our score tab right in there. We're going to change this to 9 because greater than 9 would be 10. So that's what we're going to be programming there. And we're going to put this diamond-shaped operator into the if-then block. Okay, the broadcast level 2 will go in the if-then. So basically it's going to read if the score is greater than 9, then broadcast level 2. And we're going to put that in a forever block. So it happens throughout the whole time. And then we're going to put a green flag on it. So when the green flag is clicked, for the entire time, whenever the score gets greater than 9, we will broadcast level 2. That just means that we're going to tell the computer we're going to level 2. That's the first part of the code. Okay, and again, we're coding our main sprite with this. So this is the crab. And now what we're going to do is we're going to actually click on stage because you can code the stage as well. You can code the backdrop. So I'm going to click on my backdrops. Okay. And I am going to look, and I'm going to set the stage for level 1. So when we hit the green flag, we are going to want this underwater backdrop. Okay, so that's the backdrop we want to start with. When you go to events now, instead of a green flag for the second one, we're going to bring out when I receive level 2. When I receive level 2. And now let's go choose a second backdrop. Okay, and let's look for underwater. And let's go with underwater 2. Okay, so I'm going to go to looks. And I'm going to grab switch backdrop to underwater. And I'm going to change that to underwater 2. And then what's cool is I can actually click here where it usually says costumes. And this one says backdrops. And I am going to click on text box, make it black, and I'm going to type in level 2. And I can click off, and that's when you can actually make it larger if you'd like, and you can move it. Okay, so that's the text box here, level 2. All right, so let's test it. Okay, let me full screen this. And let's do, here we go. Now remember, if I hit that green fish, it's going to give me, oh, there he is. And he just subtracted some points for me. All right, so you saw that I went to level 2 once I got greater than 10. Okay. Now, it's easy to add, once you've done this, we can go back to our crab. Now watch what I can do for level 3. I'm going to take this code here. I'm going to put my mouse over it, and I'm going to right click, duplicate, and then it just gets stuck to your mouse, and you just bring it over here and click it. And now what I'm going to do is click here, new message, level 3, okay, and then change the score to greater than 19. So since I just copied the code, that's all I need to do. Now let's go to backdrops and let's pick another. Okay, there's no more underwater, so let's put the crab and the fish in space. Let's put them in the galaxy. Okay, so then let's click on the backdrop, events. When I receive, in this time, level 3, then we are going to change to galaxy. I'm going to click on backdrops. I'm going to make this white. Okay, click text, and then let's do level 3. Okay, and then that should be good. Let's go back to the crab. Let's go to play our game, and let's see how it looks. Oh, look, the fish got caught over there. And see how he's changing speeds? I'll show you in another video how to get him to change speeds after each level. He got caught going in that weird angle there, so he's no danger to me. So yeah, you can see he's going faster each time, but he's caught in that pattern, so he'll never catch me. Okay, so we went up to level 3. Okay, so just to review, crab code is right here. Okay, so if you need to pause the video, we'll zoom in on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do level 4. Okay, I'm going to right click on level 3, duplicate, place it down here, change it to greater than 29. So I'm going up by 10 each time. I'm going to click here, new message, level 4, hit OK. So now, and when I get higher than 29, it's going to go to level 4. Pick a new backdrop. So let's put this crab in the Arctic. Okay. And let's code that now. Events. When I receive level 4, looks, switch to backdrop Arctic. Okay, and then click on backdrops, text. I'll make this black. Type in level 4. Okay, and you're good. Now there's one more thing that I think you would enjoy, and we can make a winning level. So basically, right now, if he gets above 29, so basically once you get 30, you go to level 4. So basically then to win the game, we'll say is 40. So to get up to 40 points, you win. So let's duplicate one more time. Let's change this to greater than 39. So that means 40. And let's do a new message and make this a you win level. Okay. So now greater than 40, you win. Let's pick our you win backdrop, which I'm going to go for those party balloons. Okay. I'm going to click on the backdrop to code it. And let's do events. When I receive you win, we are going to switch to the party backdrop. Okay. Now let's put you win on the party backdrop. Okay. And let's just code this a little bit more. Let's do a stop all, which is a control. And this way, everything will stop once you get to that level. All right, let's see if I can get to it. But I have that fish that's going to be a problem because I made the fish go faster each time. Where's that green fish? I just got him. That made me lose 5 points. Oh so hard. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Oh, I hyperspaced. Oh, he got me again. Okay, I got up to level 4. 8 more points. Don't let that fish come back and get me. Hyperspacing out of the way because he's so fast. Oh, I got him again. Quick, I got 5 seconds to get this. Oh, I did it. I did it. All right. And I have 15 seconds left to do it. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you need to rewind or pause to go back and look at the code, you can do so. In the next video, I will be showing you how to make that green fish go faster. And then we'll also put in some music. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time.